Oops, I've been saying that was compartment 9. I've just seen there's a dividing fence here. This is in line with the flat roof building over there. That one that used to be set back in the lawn. Know it well. Nice trees and so on. So it could be that this is compartment 9, and what I've just been saying was a nice bit of woodland might be compartment 10, and compartment 10 has been given a clear felling licence by those wonderful Forestry Commission people. So I hope that line there doesn't mean there's going to be any stupidity. And this then must be compartment 9. Still some nice oak and bit of replanting gone on there, but this has got to be where the track's going to be.